Where does the name for Hen Llan come from? Today I'm in Hen Llan in Denbighshire. The name's made of two parts, hen, which means old, and llan, which is an area of land or a settlement attached to a church. Now the church in question is this church behind me, which is St Sadwrn's. Now Sadwrn is the Welsh form of a Latin name, Saturnius, and this one here was built originally in the early Middle Ages, but obviously this is an 18th century rebuild. Now, one of the really unique things about St Sadwrn's in Hen Llan is that the bell tower is separate from the main church, and it's this tower here. And the reason is that they built the tower on top of a rocky outcrop, high up enough that the sounds of the bells would be able to carry all across the valley around the church. Now, St Sadwrn is famous for being involved in the life of the Saint Gwenfrewi, who's the patron saint of Holywell, or in English her name's Winifred. Now, after her beheading and miraculous reheading, she was sent here by the Saint Diheir from Bodvari in order to stay with St Sadwrn, but St Sadwrn wasn't particularly excited to have her around and immediately sent her on to the Princess Eleri in Gwytherin. Now, another cool fact about the town, and thanks to the wooden belfry pilgrim, my mate, for telling me this pub behind me here, the Llyndir, may be one of the oldest pubs in Wales, and it dates back to 1229.